In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can transfer any cryptocurrency from Telegram wallet to your Binance account or to any other crypto exchange of your choice. If today is the first time seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Now, I am currently on Telegram wallet. You can actually see different kind of cryptocurrency on Telegram. Now, I only have TON, but if you also have any other cryptocurrency, the principle is the same. Just follow the same principle. Now, let's say, for example, I want to send my TON coin to Binance account. I click on TON coin. Now, here is my TON coin. I have about 9.5 TON coin. I have to click on send. Now, once I click on send, there are two options that you can actually use to send cryptocurrency out from Telegram wallet. Now, the first option there is your Telegram contact. You can actually send any cryptocurrency to your Telegram contact by easily putting in their names, and you just send them cryptocurrency, and the transaction there is free. Another option there is external wallet, meaning you want to send it to Binance, Bybit, BitGet, or to any other exchange of your choice. So you click on external wallet because that is what we want to do here. Click on it. And once you come here, you have to go and copy your TON address on Binance. So let's go to Binance. I'm currently on Binance. Just click on wallet and click on deposit, then search for TON. This is right there. Click on it. They will select the network. Click on OK. You click on deposit address. Then let's go back to Telegram wallet. So we're currently on Telegram wallet. We'll paste in the address. Once we do that, we'll just click on continue. Now, this is where we'll put in the amount of TON we want to send. Now, if you want to send all your TON, just click on max. Now, this is you sending all your TON. Remember, there's a little bit of gas fee that you're going to pay as you are doing this transaction. So just click on continue. Now, this is where you have to put in your memo. Now, in this case, it is called comment, tags, or memo. Now, depending on the platform you're using, they usually call it different things. But let's go back to Binance to copy our comment or tag or memo. They are still the same thing. I'm on Binance right now. You can see Binance is calling it memo. You can see TON memo. Click on it to copy it. Then you go back to Telegram wallet. I'm currently on Telegram wallet. You have to paste in that number right there. You paste it. Once you're done with that, you can actually cross-check by checking whether the address match. If you are comfortable with everything, just click on confirm and send. As you can see, we just sent out our TON from our Telegram wallet to our Binance. Just give it a few minutes, your TON or any cryptocurrency you are sending out from Telegram wallet will be on Binance or any other exchange of your choice. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you.